guys, it's me again. My hair is back to a more natural shade today, so at this point all I'm looking to do is maintain this warm brown and keep my hair shiny and healthy looking. You know what I mean? So I partnered up with Moroccan Oil to show how their color depositing masks do just that with one product. It deposits temporary color and conditions hair, making it feel really soft and looking prime. It's like a 2-for-1. I've been using the shade Cocoa Brown, which delivers the most beautiful, deep, warm chocolate brown. So today I'm going to show you how I get this gorgeous cocoa brown shade with my signature waves. Let's begin. So I used these color depositing masks before to create this really pretty rose gold color, back at it with a cocoa brown shade. And I love these products because they're so flippin' easy to use. In 5 to 7 minutes you have this really rich, beautiful color and your hair gets a full-on treatment. So you're going to end up with like a really soft, shiny result. Step 1, rinse your hair. We start with damp hair because you get a really soft blended finish. And you'll find that you'll use a lot less product because dry hair is really porous, and when your hair is already damp, you won't need to use as much. So there you go. Step 2, apply a generous amount of color depositing mask. I mean, a wise woman once told me, only good things come to those who apply generously, and they will be rewarded with soft, rich color and shine. And obviously I'm going to trust this wise woman, so I apply generously, and so should you. We made it to step 3, and that is to comb through, just so you can get that even color. You know, you don't want to miss a spot. So I'm doing a thorough job. Feel pretty good about this. Step 4, wait 5 to 7 minutes. Like how I did that there, 5 to 7. So you can get pretty vibrant color and healthy shiny hair. It only takes that long, 5 to 7 minutes, guys. It's doable. You can even do this in the shower. Speaking of shower, rinse. I went from this to this fun flirty shade of brown. Loving it. Look at me moving. All right, let's rewind a little bit. This is me back with damp hair. Going in with Moroccan Oil's Blow Dry Concentrate. This is a styling serum that really makes your hair super soft and silky. And this reduces frizz, adds shine, straightens and smooths. It's great for really coarse, curly hair. I got straighter hair, but it still works great for that. It just like makes you have the best blowout ever. So I use about half a pump and I apply mid-strand to my ends and just brush that through. And now I'm ready for the smoothest blowout ever. Hello, beautiful cocoa brown, silky, smooth, healthy looking, shiny, wonderful hair. Ugh, I'm obsessed with this result. I always have colorful hair, but like I'm feeling this brunette. It's like so delicious to me. It's like a delicious chocolate bar. I just want to eat it. Now I'm going in with my Moroccan Oil Perfect Defense, which I use to protect my hair from my flat iron. And I use my flat iron to create my waves. Love, love, love this spray because it's so light, it's weightless. Argan oil infused spray, so it also protects your hair and makes it look really shiny. So you want to maintain healthy hair, use this stuff. Great to use it on damp hair, especially if you are going to blow dry your hair. But personally, I like using the blow dry concentrate before I blow dry my hair, and then I go in with the Moroccan Oil Perfect Defense before I flat iron, which is what I'm doing now. So to create my waves, I create an S wave, which is all about creating bends in your hair, and you kind of do it in an S formation. And with every section, I alternate directions. So if I'm going in, out, in, the next strand, I'll go out, in, out. It just creates a less uniform looking wave, which I like. And I continue this technique to the rest of my hair. all done. Now I like to brush through these waves with my fingers, and then I like to secure them with Moroccan Oil's luminous hairspray. So this is a medium finish hairspray, so using these on your waves is great because it gives you that natural look. It bends with your wave. You're not getting those crispy waves, you know? Alright, I'm done, all finished. Love these waves, love this color. So that's it. I'm done. That was pretty quick, guys. So easy. Another thank you to these heroes. Okay, I'm ready to take on the day as a brunette with really pretty, gorgeous, shiny waves. Bye, guys. I'll see you next time.